nights working at the presses and or at the inspection tables, the white film. So we want to. The problem is they're not working. It's been a month not working, so we need to figure out a system to keep either in stock the light bulbs or replacement parts or whatever we don't have that we can't keep them working. So that's just another ongoing thing that we got to work on compounding that to get that going. Okay. We also had an improvement which goes along with this, is that they ran out of, or they broke one of the sensors for the loaders on third shift, and it was wired to it, so they took it upon themselves to figure out a way to fix it so we can run it. Otherwise, we've been down for 8 hours just because of, I don't know how much those sensors are for the auto loaders. Marty, anybody have an idea? But $150? All right, so obviously we sat down, we lost well over $150 if we didn't figure out a way to fix it. So one, he took it upon himself. The other thing we need to look at, the opportunity to look at, is why we don't have an inventory, how our inventory is not correct, or how we don't have it compound correctly. So these are things that we need to look at. But let's give Jose a hand for keeping the prices going on third shift to help out. All right. ITWFS is going to be here Thursday, so we want to make tomorrow. So we want to make sure everything's ready. Okay. Hey, committed Toyota members can be developed outside of Japan. We often ask whether the Toyota system is peculiar to Japanese culture. Can this work in companies that are not Japanese? As we have noted, the Toyota Way started in Japan and heavily reflects Japanese culture tendencies. In some ways, it is very alien to the West. On the other hand, we can give examples of Americans who are highly committed to Toyota Way and fit the culture very nicely, and there are many, many more. Our experience is that this actually works in the West for Toyota. It works in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. We have seen it work in various European countries. We spent time with seasoned Toyota members at various levels and locations, and our observations about Western Toyota members are: 1, they are highly engaged in their jobs. 2, they are confident in their abilities. 3, they have an extraordinary capacity for solving problems and improving processes. 4, they have many soft team skills: listening, presenting, facilitating, encouraging, supporting, and positively dealing with conflict. They feel a part of Toyota and take pride in being part of a great enterprise. They are driven to reflect on their weakness and improve themselves. They feel obligated to teach others what they have learned from the Toyota Way, both inside and outside. Okay? So obviously that's just some of the same traits that we see from our core values that we want to continue on, right? Pass the knowledge, learn, have some humility when we make mistakes, and learn from and improve ourselves. Okay? This is a 5S video on a company doing a 5S project.